In this video, I will show you how to find your comments on YouTube. So this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2022. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually come across to youtube.com, and from here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. So the process to actually find your comments is actually very easy to do, and you might be wanting to do this to just scroll down. Maybe you've commented something by accident and you forgot where the video, or you can't find the video that you commented on. So make sure to watch these steps carefully so you know how to find your comments. So once you've logged into your account, what you're going to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you don't need to go into your actual studio or anything. You can do this from the youtube.com homepage, and what you're going to want to do is just go down the menu until you get to the history tab. So you just want to give that a click, and then this is going to bring up all your history. So from here, if you look to the right hand side, you can see I've got my watch history at the moment. So this is going to display all your videos you've watched. And what you're going to want to do from here is come to the right hand side, and if you look a bit down the page, you've actually got a comments button down here. So if you give that a click, that's going to take you across to, because YouTube's under Google, it's going to take you across to your Google activity page. And from here, this is where you can actually come to see all your comments. So it's going to display all your comments. You can see the dates. So for example, yesterday, this is all my comments from yesterday. So you can actually just scroll down. If you remember the date that you put a comment on, you can see there's quite a few I've got on here. And if you want to delete any of these, you can do that. Now, just to note that if you delete comments, it can take a few hours. Normally they do get removed straight away, but you can see at the top here that it can take a few hours before they're fully removed. To delete a comment, all you need to do is literally tick the cross up here next to the comment, and you'll see it says deleting now. We've got these pop-ups coming down here in the bottom left hand corner. You can see that's now been deleted. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. Also, if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt, which is going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute, thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.